Anshuram Mishra. But you may be Hindu. You are not a Hindu. The Sikh is not a Sikh. Because if you let this turban, I mean, Baba Sri Chand was without any top, without any top. That's what Anshu, that's what it is. Just Baba, वो क्या गुरु नानक
देव
के बाद रात आपका
yes
बाबा श्रीचंद जो थे ना तेग बहादुर के बच्चे गुरु गोविंद सिंह वो सरदार नहीं थे, बाद में सरदार बने वो। उनकी चार औरतें थी, उनकी चार they were all living in the present moment. They were living like a tree. That's what he was. And Sardar never understood, because the first born of a Hindu family was a Sikh man.
yes
But they call him a Sikh, but that was really not a Sikh, because it was from a Hindu family. That's why Brahma जो है, that's a full existence. Brahma के there are two parts of the Brahma, Shiva and Vishnu.
Yes.
Vishnu जो है female है. If you fold your hand, this is a Namaste. This is Namaste is not the thing. Namaste is not the real. The Vishnu वो ब्रह्मा है. अच्छा जो लेफ्ट हैंड है ना, ये विष्णु है, ये राइट ब्रेन है, ये विष्णु ये शिवा है, ये राइट ब्रेन है, ये लेफ्ट ब्रेन है. That's what it is. Left brain is aggressive. That's why your phallus is going in front, and this is a female. This is the right brain, receptive. That's why the testicles of the man are outside. That's why when you see the existence is Shiva. Shiva is a destruction. Vishnu is a maintenance, and that's what a female is. जो गुरु थे ना, जो छेवा गुरु था, उसने कहा फीमेल के बिना हम नहीं पैदा हो सकते. That's what we are. We can't be born without a female.
Yes.
And that's what we all are. And we should not think about that. We should learn how to live in the present, moment by moment. And that's why I have 5 children, and I got 4 daughters, and my wife is American, and I got 1 son, and they all living in the present. And I got 8 grandkids. They all living in the present. I live in the present, moment by moment. I got an office in Lucknow.
Wow.
And Lucknow, Lulu Mall के सामने है. And people in the United States, they basically have destroyed the prostate operation, because they have a prostate, what you call prostatectomy, stage 1. Stage 1 में क्या robotic prostatectomy, that's a completely what we call, that's a completely destructive to yourself, because person will lose his erection, ejaculation and penetration, and also leave the what you call, they have no more urination. They urinate all the time. I just came from United States. I just came 3 days ago, and I met a guy at the beach. He has a prostatectomy done, stage 1, and he has a leaking of urine, and he was crying. His wife was crying. They both were crying. And now we are going to Lucknow. We have bought a new car, and Mercedes Benz by here. We bought a new one, and we are traveling, and we are standing in front of a freeway, and this is we are standing in front of a trees. They are all in the present, moment by moment, and that's what I am. And I will 226. I will become the governor of the state of Florida, and you will see that. My father always lived in the present. The mind is a heap of impression, and the body is a heap of food. That's why you see all these people. They are basically living in the past and future. They are in the present. That's why when you see we ate a product, and that's why they were all fat. They were not. The body is a heap of food, and the mind is a heap of impression. That's what we are. And I have no mind, no brain, no mind, no disease. That's why we're living in the existence, and meditation is a total. I have made a special movie, and meditation is a existence, and that's what it is. Everybody should watch a movie, and I will start treating people with cancer. The cancer is all because of the conditioning, because we are conditioned. We are totally conditioned. And we are conditioned because our intellectual mind is totally conditioned, and it is artificial. That's why people have cancer. That's why they are doing 65, 70, 80 years. They died. I will live Baba Sri Chand lived more than 150 years, and that's what it is. My Papa says he will live 100 years, but he lived 80 years. I would have put him in exercise. He had a little eye valve. But anyhow, I will be living more than 100 years. I tell you, my book Kama Sutra Yoga, that tells us that we can live up to 165 years, but if human beings can live up to 300 years, because if we live in the present, moment by moment, and I will be living moment by moment. And I love everybody. Thank you very much.